Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. So I've been getting a lot of requests on these flexi rods that I usually do. You've probably seen them on my Instagram or my Snapchat. And today I'm going to show you how to do them, so keep watching. Alright, to start off, I'm going to be using my As I Am curling jelly. I'm also going to be using my OGX Argan of Morocco conditioner, as well as Cantu curl activator cream, a water bottle, and the purple flexi rods. So I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair into 2 sections on each side. I just split the other half up just to keep it out my way. And I'm going to wet my hair. You want to make sure your hair is very wet while you do these at all times. So next I'm going to put some of my conditioner in there. I'm going to put about maybe 2/4 of a size in there. I really don't measure it for real. And then I'm going to set it into 2 separate sections and make sure your hair is fully brushed out and product is distributed. Then I'm going to be taking this nasty looking curly jelly and I'm going to be putting that in my hair. I don't put too much of this in my hair because it makes my hair very flaky if I put too much. Then I'm going to take my curl activator cream, maybe about 1/4 size amount of that as well. Show you guys here, and put that in my hair as well. And you want to brush that through as well. You want to just make sure everything is brushed through. Okay, so I do use the horseshoe method on my hair. All you do is take your flexi rod and bend it in half. And you're going to put one half of your hair on the one side of the flexi rod and the other on the other side of the flexi rod. Next, I'm going to just be making sure that that product is all brushed through and that there's no tangles in my hair. Then I'm going to take my flexi rod and I'm putting it very close to my scalp so my curls will last longer and the curl will be tighter. Next, what I do is I literally just twist my hair around the flexi rod till I get to the end of the rod, and then I just curl it at the bottom. And that's how you do one side. And then you take your other half of your hair and you do the same thing. You just keep twisting it around the flexi rod, and at the end, you just fold it in. So literally throughout the whole rest of my head, I'm literally continue doing the same process. Just taking 2 separate sections, putting them on one side of the flexi rod, the other one on the other flexi rod, and just keep twisting it around and make sure that it is really tight on your scalp so your curls last long. Now, if you can see here, it does look kind of messy. I do put a lot of product in my hair, so my hair doesn't look dry, but that's nothing a towel can't fix. I usually just pat dry some of the product away, and that solves that problem. So that's it for that, and I'll just sleep on these, and the next morning you'll see the results. So when I unravel the flexi rods, I usually just grab the ends of my hair and untwist it the way that I twisted it, if that makes sense. Basically just untwisting it in reverse. So my next step is I'm just going to separate all my curls so they won't be as chunky. Alright, the key to getting big hair is to keep separating and picking as much as possible. You want to make sure you don't forget the back, because as you can see, I still had a part from when I flexi rodded it. Alright, so your curls will get bigger as the days go on, but this is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe. See you guys later.